Okay, I can see this is the battery. Good. After connecting the battery terminals, the next step is to take it to charge controller. If you look at that charge controller, you see the symbol there. You see, so when you connect the battery to charge controller, you will see that the battery will supply light to the charge controller immediately. So after fixing the both wires to the normal terminal, you maintain the polarity, the positive and the negative. Okay, you screw it, tighten it well. You can see, so it will display the battery capacity, that is 12 volts. Now you connect the panel. This wire is for the panel, so you fix the positive terminal for the panel, you screw it, tighten it well. You bring the negative terminal of the panel, the negative terminal, the negative wire from the panel, which is this. You fix it. If you look at that charge controller, you see where you see a symbol that represents panel. You see, so when you fix the panel to the charge controller, you will see a symbol of a sunshine. You see, as I remove it now, it shows you moon and the battery charging stop. You see, if you put it, you say PV with the arrow. Okay, you see a symbol of a sunshine, and you can see that the battery is non-charging. So after that, you tighten it. Okay, don't forget to maintain the polarity, the positive and the negative. When you look at the body of the charge controller, which is a PWM, when you look at it, you will see everything. It is clear there. Very good. So now the other terminal is for DC output. Now if you watch the bulb there, you can see a symbol of bulb there. When you touch that switch, the bulb glows. It shows you that the DC output is ready. Okay, thank you.